Hey folks, Chris Davis here with Places in Maine and Real Broker LLC. If you have been thinking at all about selling your property, watch this video for my top 3 tips for sellers to make sure that you get the most for your property on the timeline that you desire. The market has changed drastically over the course of the last 5 years, and it is more important than ever to make sure that you, the homeowner, are prepared to sell your house. So here are my 3 tips. Number 1, start the process early. And by this, invite your realtor into your home as early as you want, whether it's 1 month, 6 months, or even a year sometimes, because it is crucial for that realtor to work with you to understand if you have any upcoming maintenance items, any staging ideas, or any market expectations that you should be prepared to know to help you make the decision for your home. Number 2, truly partner with your realtor. What I mean by this is it is your realtor's passion to be invited into your home, to see how you have created your home, and you need to trust them that they are going to guide you every step of the way. One thing we love to just talk about is we see photos of listings. People don't live like that, right? So a realtor is going to walk in and give you feedback, not to make you uncomfortable, but to use their expertise to say, hey, we're going to take the coffee and we're going to move it off the counter so everything looks open. We know you drink coffee, but we don't need to see the coffee maker. That's just one example. My 3rd tip, my final tip today is understand you have options. Now, you might decide that, hey, could I get an instant cash offer for your home? Absolutely. Your realtor should have an opportunity for that. Or hey, could you sell my home off market so I can do it quietly without a ton of people coming into my home? Absolutely. Your realtor should have an opportunity for that. And number 3, could you create the coolest event? So I have cars lined up down my road and everyone in town is talking about my listing? That is what we love. Folks, real estate is not as simple anymore as just getting your property up on the MLS and putting a sign in your front yard. It is nuanced, it can be complicated, but ultimately it needs to be fun. Where my team has had the most success is when we work with our clients to be aligned on the vision, the timeline, and the creative process to get your property out in front of the eyes of thousands of online shoppers. So when it comes to receive those offers, you are getting the price you want, at the terms you want, and the offer you want. Thank you so much. Those are my 3 tips that every homeowner should know when preparing to sell their home in today's market. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, it would mean so much, and if you have any questions or comments, just drop them below. I will get back to you ASAP.